Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T50 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using a network provided time and time zone. So first of all, we have to tap on this first option and tap on off. So now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. So find it and tap on it, then confirm it by tapping on OK. And the same situation with the time, just tap on set time. Here we can choose the hours and then minutes. Tap on OK, and here the time zone, right now we've got the automatic one, so turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. And now tap on select time zone, choose region, and here we've got all regions from which we can choose, so find yours and then tap on it. I'll pick this one and it will be immediately applied. Here we've got also the time format. We can use the automatic option, here use local default, and tap on the switcher here, or we can manually decide. So now we've got the 12-hour format. If you wish, you can use 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher right here. So this is the whole manual customization of date and time. Of course, we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on this switcher here to use automatic time zone, and here tap on set time automatically using network provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.